Hey everyone, welcome to my channel and thanks for tuning in. Let's learn, build, and shape a better cloud for the future. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Perfect. Let's dive in. Alright, so in this video, we're going to change the default Apache web server port on Ubuntu Linux. Okay, so as you know, our default port of Apache is normally port 80, HTTP port 80. Okay, and that's why when you click on that and then you come and paste it there, we get this. Okay, and you can see it's HTTP, not secure. Okay, so let's change this port to port another port. Okay, so let's learn how to change default Ubuntu port to our customized port number. So just click on connect and connect. Okay, and then let's obtain the Ubuntu terminal. All right, so we need to go to the Apache configuration files to change these ones. Okay, so it's always sudo nano. Okay, so before that, just cd etc etc Apache 2 and then list. So we're going to change this file. So we're going to change. So for example, if you can just say cat ports.config, you can see the default listening port is port 80. Okay, so now let's customize this port to our desired port. All right, okay, so what I'm gonna do, let's say sudo nano ports.config, then come to listening ports and change this one to maybe 80 90. Okay, then control X Y, enter. Perfect. So if you can just say cat ports.config, you will see the listening ports have changed. Okay, then there is additional file that we need to modify. Okay, so ls list. All right, so we need to go into this directory, cd sites enabled. Okay, and list. We need as well to change the default port here. Okay, so if you can just say cat 000, you will see the virtual host is actually running on port 80. So we need to change that as well to the port that we are interested in, 8090. Okay, all right, so sudo nano 00 hit tab and enter. So we just need to change this one to 8090. Okay, 8090 E10. No, sorry. Control X Y and enter. Perfect. So provided that we've changed the Apache port, default port, we need to restart the Apache service. Just say sudo system ctl restart Apache 2. Okay, perfect. So let's try to refresh the browser. It should not connect. Why? Because the Apache web server is currently running on port 8090. And what if now we change that to 8090 and hit enter? Perfect. So you can see our website is running on port 8090. And as well, if you can just go on our, maybe on our machine, PowerShell, invoke web request. Okay, then we paste this one. Perfect. You can see we're getting 200 success scored. Okay, but what if we just make it on port 8? It should not work. Why? Because the service is not doesn't have services running on port 80, but indeed the service is currently running on port 8090. All right. Thank you so much, guys. I believe you've learned how to customize the Apache web server port from the default port 80 to a port of interest. Thank you. Please subscribe to this channel, like the video, and drop a comment below. Bye bye.